Alright guys, I just got home from work and I just received all these packages. This is exciting. I cannot wait to show you what I got. Let's see it. Yes. Finally, my new phone. I'm so excited. Oh my God. Yes. Here it is, guys. My new phone. Okay, I'm just gonna film it on the bed because it keeps showing my face. But this is my new phone. It is a Google Pixel 7. The current phone I'm using right now is a Samsung Galaxy S8. I've had it for 5 years. And now I've decided it's time to make an upgrade. And also, I'm going to be able to film in 4K now. So my video quality is going to get so much better. Of course, I've got to also open these up. So let me do that real quick. Of course, with every new phone is a need for a new phone case. And I cannot stress this enough, you guys. Get a phone case. Protect all your phones at all costs. Package number 3. I also got some screen protectors because the phone I'm using right now has a bunch of cracks in it, and this is why you need them. Alright, I just took the case off of this. Hey, do you mind? I'm trying to film here. Anyway, as you can see, there are a bunch of cracks all over the bottom area of this phone. So that caused a bunch of issues with the screen and tapping it a bit. But lately it's also had a bunch of like slow to respond moments. I could hit the back button and it would just like, it would take about 2 seconds for it to respond. So that's why I had to get a new phone. So here it is with the case on it. As you can see, I'm actually holding the kickstand, so it makes holding the camera a little better. And I also have a screen protector on it, but you're not going to be able to see that. Well, actually, I'll see if I can show it. What am I kidding? You're not going to be able to see it anyway. But one of the differences I have with this phone, I can zoom out and zoom in with the tap of a button, which may or may not be an advantage to filmmaking. Now I'm using cinematic mode. What it does is that it makes everything else in the background blurry, but you clear, kind of like what they do in actual film. So that's it for this video. Like, share, comment, subscribe, become a Ballistic crew member, and say goodbye to the old phone because I no longer will have use of it. And also, be prepared for some high-quality content in the future. And until the next video, stay ballistic. I need a catchphrase. Guys, okay, you know what? Go ahead and leave a comment. What should I do for a catchphrase? Because I have nothing.